Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Andrew Swift. Jessica Aber, the U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia, was recently found dead at the age of 43. Her untimely death has sent ripples through the legal and intelligence communities, as Aber was actively involved in high-profile cases targeting CIA leaks and Russian fraud. As an experienced prosecutor known for her dedication to justice, her passing raises questions about the ongoing investigation she led, the circumstances surrounding her death, and the potential implications for national security. Jessica Aber was appointed as the U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia, a jurisdiction often dubbed the Rocket Docket for its fast-paced handling of complex cases. She had a reputation for being a meticulous, no-nonsense prosecutor, handling cases that often intersected with matters of national security. Her work primarily focused on counterintelligence and cybersecurity, with a particular emphasis on uncovering espionage networks and prosecuting individuals involved in leaking classified information. Aber's office was instrumental in several significant cases, including investigations into CIA leaks that threatened national security and instances of Russian financial fraud. Her role placed her in a critical position within the U.S. Department of Justice, making her an essential figure in maintaining the integrity of intelligence operations and national defense. Details surrounding Aber's death remain limited, and official statements have yet to clarify whether foul play is suspected. However, given the sensitive nature of her work, speculation has emerged about whether her death could be connected to her ongoing cases or if it was a tragic but unrelated incident. Law enforcement agencies and federal investigators have yet to release conclusive findings, leaving room for both legitimate concern and conspiracy theories. Aber's death raises significant concerns about the continuity of the high-profile cases she was overseeing. The Eastern District of Virginia has long been a central hub for prosecuting espionage and national security violations. The potential disruption to these cases could have far-reaching consequences, possibly affecting ongoing investigations into Russian interference, cybersecurity threats, and espionage activities involving U.S. intelligence assets. The abrupt loss of such a key legal figure can also create vulnerabilities. If her death was connected to the sensitive information she handled, it could signal potential breaches in intelligence security or the influence of foreign adversaries seeking to undermine U.S. justice efforts. For news anchors covering this story, understanding the broader national security context is crucial. The cases Aber managed were not just about prosecuting individual offenders, they were part of a larger effort to safeguard U.S. intelligence networks and protect classified information from adversarial actors. The potential implications of her death touch on issues of international espionage, cyber warfare, and geopolitical tensions. Her death also prompts questions about the safety and security of government officials involved in sensitive national security cases. It raises the issue of whether sufficient measures are in place to protect those on the front lines of defending the nation's intelligence apparatus. Jessica Aber's death is a tragic loss that has left a void in the realm of national security and justice. As more information unfolds, it will be essential for news anchors to approach the coverage with a balance of respect for her legacy and a critical analysis of the potential repercussions. The intersection of her high-profile work and her sudden passing requires careful, nuanced reporting to avoid sensationalism while acknowledging the gravity of the situation. This comprehensive discussion aims to provide news anchors with the necessary context and insights to cover this evolving story with the depth and sensitivity it deserves. Goodbye. See you in the next newsletter.